Shout out PPK Customs. Customer dropped off a pressure washer. We're gonna be doing some diagnosis through it. Hopefully, it's just a carb, a coil, something like that. We got most of that stuff in stock. So what we're gonna be doing is taking the spark plug out, testing the spark plug for spark. We're gonna go to the carb, take that carb off, drain the gas, put fresh gas, new carb, gaskets, and go from there. But other than that, man, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get back with y'all once we get this one rocking and rolling, so we get this one in and out to the customer so they can get back to work, make their money with it. But other than that, man, y'all stay tuned.